Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can use your fingerprint to unlock your Poco M5. For that, you want to go to settings and then go down to password and security. And now you see here fingerprint unlock. So we click on that, and then first we have to set another screen lock. We go with a PIN, and remember your password. We saw this before when we set up our other screen lock. Be sure to remember your screen lock. Got it? And then we enter our PIN. And now add your fingerprint. Fingerprint sensor is located on the right edge of your device. Okay, so we pick up the phone and then click on the on and off button here. So we press and lift our finger again. Adjust your grip to capture the edges of your fingerprint. Move your finger so the sensor could record the edges of your fingerprint. Added successfully. To be able to use face unlock, add face data first. Add now. No, we don't want to add that now. We can add that later. So now we can name our finger. We can say finger 1 and then we click on this arrow and click on done. Now we have our finger 1 here. We can click on it and remove the fingerprint. We can add a fingerprint recognition method, touch or press. So we stay with touch. You can also choose press. And then if you go back, lock your phone and then want to unlock it again, you just take your phone, put your thumb on, and then your phone is unlocked. That's how you use your fingerprint to unlock your Poco M5. I hope it helped, hope you liked it. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.